Hello viewers, welcome to GIS and Remote Sensing tutorial channel. Today we will begin a new GIS and Remote Sensing series using ArcGIS ranging from beginner to advanced. Therefore, there's no need to worry about not knowing the fundamental or the basis of GIS and Remote Sensing using ArcGIS. What then is GIS? GIS simply stands for Geographic Information System. It's a computerized based system that allows us to capture, store, query, analyze, and display geographical information in a form of map and chart for better decision making. So in short, we can say that GIS is all about collecting geographical data from the Earth's surface using GIS technology such as DGPS, handheld GPS, phone GPS, drone technology, and even sensor. After collecting the data, you transfer the data into your laptop or desktop. You then process it and analyze it using GIS software and then display the information in the form of map for management to make decision out of it or for further analysis to be made from the analysis. Now, what is GIS data? GIS data simply refers to any geographical data that is collected from the Earth's surface using GIS technology. It is made up of spatial data and non-spatial data. When we talk of spatial data, we are referring to any data that have specific coordinate or spatial location. And there are two types of spatial data. We have the vector data and the raster data. With the vector data, they are spatial data that have a well-defined boundary. It is the representation of the Earth's surface either by points, example are town and settlements, or by line, example are roads and river, and by polygon, examples are regions, districts, and parcel of land. That is the three types of vector data. Now, when we talk of raster data, it's a spatial data which do not have a well-defined boundary, and it model the Earth's surface in a form of pixel or cell, and each pixel contain a geographic characteristic of a particular geographic feature. That's spatial data. Now let's move on to non-spatial data. Non-spatial data simply refers to attributes data. They contain information about spatial data. They describe spatial data, and they are made up of table in the form of rows and column. So that's all about GIS and GIS data. To model any GIS data or geographic data set, you need GIS software, that is ArcGIS or QGIS. But for this tutorial, we'll only focus on ArcGIS and leave the other GIS softwares. ArcGIS is an integrated GIS software package that allows us to perform all the GIS functionality stated above, including viewing, processing, and analyzing of geographic data sets. It is the best leading commercial GIS software developed by Azure. The current package is now ArcGIS Pro, but for this tutorial, we shall limit ourselves to ArcGIS. We will look at all those GIS software packages later. Preview. Now let us look at the components of ArcGIS desktop. There are four major components. They are ArcMap, ArcCatalog, ArcToolbox, and ArcSim. ArcMap allow us to create maps, query attributes, analyze spatial relationship, and lay out final projects. It's purely for map-based tasks for all kinds of cartographic work, map analysis, and editing. That's what ArcMap is purely about Arc Catalog allow us to search and add data to Arc Map. It also allow us to manage and organize maps, model, and metadata. You can even create your own metadata over there. On top of metadata, they contain all the information about the data that has been created. On the other hand, Arc2 box contains all the tools for geoprocessing, data conversion, coordinate system, projections, and more. It is a basket of tools for all our analysis and processing. Accent allow us to process and analyze 3D data set. I hope the first objective has been achieved. That is to have a basic knowledge about GIS and ArcGIS to ensure that you never miss any of the next videos that will be coming. Simply